Welcome, everyone. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT completely for free. This AI assistant by OpenAI can write, explain, code, and much more. You don't need a credit card to start. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot from OpenAI. You type a question, and it replies instantly, like texting a very smart expert. The free plan, GPT 3.5, is powerful enough for most everyday tasks, including studying, writing, and coding. Step 1 is to visit the website. Open a browser on any device and type chat.openai.com. Click the Sign Up button. You can use your email, Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Verify your email, log in, and you are ready to chat. You can sign up in seconds. The easiest way is with a Google account. Remember, the GPT 3.5 free plan requires no credit card. If you are under 18, you must have parental permission. OpenAI keeps your data private and encrypts your conversations. The interface is simple. Use the New Chat button to start a fresh conversation for a new topic. Your past chats are saved in the History panel on the left. If you are not happy with an answer, click Regenerate to get a new response. The most important skill is writing good prompts. A weak prompt like "help me" gets a vague response. A strong prompt is specific. It includes context, format, and sets the difficulty level. Think of prompting as giving instructions to a smart assistant. The free plan offers real value for zero cost. You can use it for study help, code writing, drafting emails and essays, and brainstorming. It also provides translation services and creative writing assistance for stories or poems. The free plan uses GPT 3.5 and offers unlimited, rate-limited messages. The Plus plan costs $20 a month and provides access to the powerful GPT 4o model, faster speeds, and priority access. Start with the free plan and only upgrade if you need GPT 4o daily. To maximize your free plan, combine multiple tasks into one detailed message. Use setup lines like, "You are my study tutor," to set the conversation's tone. Always save important answers, and use the free mobile app's voice input for faster prompting. You are ready to start. Visit chat.openai.com, sign up for free, and type your first question. Remember, the free plan requires no credit card. Start now and experience the power of AI.